The creator economy is bigger than ever. More people are shifting away from traditional jobs and diving into online business, coaching, and content creation. If you're creating and selling online courses, coaching programs, or memberships, you need a reliable platform to unite and engage your community. And that's where GoHighLevel and Skool both come in. Both of these platforms let you create an online community and sell digital products, but they do it in very different ways. Skool keeps things simple, focusing on community engagement and courses, while GoHighLevel is a full-scale marketing platform that also includes CRM tools, automation, and sales funnels. So, which one is better? That depends on what you need. So let's break it all down so you can figure out which platform is right for your business. What are GoHighLevel and Skool? Before we compare them side by side, let's take a step back and talk about what each platform actually does. Skool, a simple community-first platform. Skool is designed for people who want to build an engaged online community. If you're a coach, consultant, or course creator looking for a way to keep your students connected and involved, Skool makes it really easy. At its core, Skool combines three things: a social style community where members can post, comment, and interact like they would similar to a Facebook group, a built-in course platform that lets you host video lessons and other resources, a gamification system that rewards members with points for engaging in the community. The idea is that the more people participate, the more valuable the community becomes. It's simple, clean, and it requires almost no tech knowledge to get started. GoHighLevel, a full-scale business platform. GoHighLevel, on the other hand, is much more than just a community platform. It's a complete marketing and sales tool designed for businesses that want everything in one place. With GoHighLevel, you can build sales funnels and landing pages to attract leads, use a CRM to track and manage your customers, automate email and SMS marketing to stay in touch with your audience, host an online community and create courses, set up booking systems for coaching calls and live events. It's a powerful platform, but it does come with a learning curve. If you're someone who wants an all-in-one solution, it might be worth that extra effort. Course creation. Which one makes it easier to sell courses? If you plan on selling courses, both of these platforms let you do it, but they handle it in very different ways. Skool's course setup. Skool keeps course creation as simple as possible. You can drag and drop videos, PDFs, and links into a structured layout, and students can check off lessons as they go. Now, one really cool feature is that Skool lets you unlock courses based on engagement. That means if someone is active in the community, they can gain access to new lessons automatically. This is a great way to keep people engaged and encourage participation. GoHighLevel's course setup. GoHighLevel's course creation tool is more advanced, but not as intuitive. Instead of adding a course directly inside the community, you have to set it up in the membership area first. Once it's built, you can then connect it to your community. One advantage that GoHighLevel is its flexible pricing options. You can create both free and paid courses within the same community, something that Skool doesn't allow. This gives you more control over how you monetize your content. Which one wins? Now, if you want a simple plug-and-play way to build a course, Skool is the better option. But if you need more control over things like pricing and access, GoHighLevel is the way to go. Customization. How much control do you have over branding? Skool's customization options. So Skool is designed to work right out of the box, which means that there's not a lot of room for customization. You can add your branding and logo, but the layout and design are fixed. GoHighLevel's customization options. If customization is important to you, GoHighLevel is the clear winner here. You can tweak color schemes, themes, and even customize the entire user interface with CSS and JavaScript coding. If you're building a brand and you want full control over how everything looks, GoHighLevel gives you way more flexibility. Which one wins? So if you just want something that looks good without much effort, Skool's perfect. But if you want full control over your design, GoHighLevel is the better choice for that. Pricing. Which one gives you more for your money? Skool costs $99 per month per community. You get unlimited courses and members, but if you want multiple communities, you have to pay for each one. GoHighLevel starts at $97 a month, and you get unlimited communities, courses, and CRM features. The only downside is that you might end up paying extra for emails and automation. Now, at first glance, it might seem like Skool is cheaper, but it really depends on what you need. If all you want is a place to host a community and courses, then Skool's flat pricing is easy to understand. But if you're running a business and you need marketing automation, CRM tools, and funnels, GoHighLevel gives you way more value for just about the same price. Which one wins? Now, if you just need a community platform, platform, Skool's pricing is very straightforward. But if you want more tools for a similar price, then GoHighLevel is a way better deal. Community and engagement. Which one helps you build a thriving community? A community is only as strong as the engagement that it gets. That's why the way these platforms handle community features is so important. Skool's community features. Skool is built to keep people coming back. The layout is super clean and the experience feels smooth and intuitive. If you've ever been part of a Facebook group, Skool will feel very familiar. The difference is that Skool cuts out all the distraction. There's no endless news feed or ads pulling people away. It's just your community and your content. Posting and commenting are simple and everything is organized into categories. Members can easily find discussions, ask questions, and get answers fast. Plus, Skool's gamification system adds a fun twist. The more people post and interact, the more points that they earn, which helps keep them engaged. Another big advantage is email notifications. Skool automatically emails your members every 72 hours with updates from the community. This helps pull people back in and keeps the discussion going without you having to chase them down. GoHighLevel's community features. GoHighLevel recently upgraded its community tools, making them much more competitive. It now includes features similar to Skool: discussion channels, posts, comments, and tagging. However, the experience isn't quite as polished yet. Some users find it a bit clunky at first, and it can take a little longer to get comfortable with how everything works. So which one wins? If you're looking for a platform that makes community engagement effortless, Skool is the better option. The built-in email reminders and gamification features make a huge difference in keeping people active. However, if you want community features alongside a full marketing system, GoHighLevel is still a solid choice. Which one should you choose? You should go with Skool if you want an easy-to-use community platform and a course platform without all the extra bells and whistles. And you should go with HighLevel if you need a marketing, automation, CRM, and more advanced business tools. At the end of the day, both platforms have their strengths. The right choice depends on what you need for your business. Now, if you want to get started with either Skool or GoHighLevel, you'll find links for them down in the description below. These are affiliate links, which means that we do earn a small commission when you use them at no extra cost to you. And these commissions really help support the channel and allow us to continue to create free content just like this. So if you end up using them, thank you so much in advance. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it, subscribe to the channel, and hit that little notification bell so you never miss another video from us. Here on the Startup Wise channel, we make videos dedicated to helping new and existing entrepreneurs get started and succeed in business, so be sure to subscribe so that you don't miss another video. But other than that, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you here in our next video.